Good day to you guys. This is Mr. M here. I'm going to be doing a demo on a particular brand of humidifier for the Great Falls online yard sale groups, which is consisting of many, just for proof that it's fully functional and its condition and all that good stuff. This humidifier is the Holmes warm mist humidifier. I actually took it out the box here, and I'm going to be filling this reservoir up with water. I had to bring it back to the sink because I didn't actually have my portable battery charger hooked onto my phone so I can move around and do this video properly. I'm going to actually take this to the sink now so you guys can watch me fill it. Here's the plug for it, which goes down there to the bottom. Plug here. I'm going to lift it up from here and take it to the sink and fill it. Now I'm actually at the sink now. I'm going to be filling this reservoir here with water. I'm going to fill it up. I don't have to fill it up all the way. Then I'm going to plug it once I'm satisfied with however much water is in here. So you guys can see that this thing works wonderfully. I believe this thing is a gallon. I believe this reservoir is a gallon, but I'm going to just let it get about 75% of the way. And I'm going to be cutting this off. I see it's pretty durable. These things are pretty good. Plug is actually watertight, airtight. I'm going to actually walk this over now. I'm going to set it on here. I'm going to make sure this is on here properly. Alrighty, I believe that does it there. I'm going to let it do that little bubbling for a few seconds. And now I'm going to turn this on as I plug it in. I'm going to just put it on high. As you see, the power's on. This thing is going to start heating up the water momentarily. And what humidifiers are supposed to do is, oh, I actually forgot to show you these little things here. These little things go along with this humidifier. You got eucalyptus mint, a couple packs of humidifier enhancement tablets, pomegranate and acai humidifier enhancement tablets. These three are going to go with the sale of this product here. Give me about less than a minute. It's going to start smoking up heavily. It's going to start steaming up from down in here, of course, as long as this will stay on. Let me see. Do I have to worry? Okay. As you can see, that little slur, that little faint little, the humidifier is fully functional. This Holmes helps relieve dry throat, sinuses, and dry skin symptoms. Warm soothing, vapor, 2 comfort settings, and an auto shut off. Just a few more moments, you guys. This is a very good piece of equipment. This can help the airway. This can help breathing. This can help with the lung passage. Humidifiers are pretty helpful. People use humidifiers for other things, but we don't want to discuss that. This is not the time. It's heating up. It is a pretty good day. It shall be raining tonight. Shall be raining within the next hour, I say. The sky is gray. Once this thing starts misting real heavily, I'm going to take it back down and let you see that this thing works wonderful. For all those who feel that this humidifier will help them in their daily lives, I suggest you buy something that will help you do that. And this is the perfect product. I'm glad, I'm sure you can get more of these things here at places. Just let the people, just let the department store or whatever know that you have this Holmes warm mist humidifier, and keep these little packs, because if you choose to still use these little packs, I'm sure these little packs provide a real therapeutic aroma to the air, and when you breathe it in, it kind of helps out breathing and all that too, I'm sure. Put it in there. Put these through the little thing before you click it on here. As you, it's actually steaming now. You can see it pretty heavily, people. There you are. I want to thank you for viewing this video. Mr. M's demonstration on the Holmes warm mist humidifier. There's the model number right there. I want you all to have a very, very good day. Let's create this little darkness here. See, there you are. It's a calm, soothing sound. It's the way they're supposed to work. I want you all to have a very, very good day. I wish I had a black background. Let me see if I could put something behind it real quick. That's like real dark. And I put my own skin color there. But anyways, jokes. I want you all to have a very good day. Holmes humidifier, warm mist. As you can see, it's steaming right there. Put it in a small room by yourself. It'll work wonders, people. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Mr. M, signing off. Online yard selling 2016, baby. I actually just need something black to actually kind of background this. As you can see, it's fully functional. Steam right there. You actually put it in a room without other. Close yourself in like a room by yourself. It's supposed to be enough for like a large room. And there you have it, the Holmes warm mist humidifier. As you can see, it's steaming that up there heavily. I want you all to have a very good day, people. Mr. M, signing off.